Probably a 45-minute trek to where we're going with this. It should be roughly half a mile. We're gonna get to where we're going and set up camp. Steep, and I'm worried I'm gonna get like high centered like this. Ow! So it's actually a really hard species of wood. Always cut towards yourself. All right, perfect. You're watching pro camper Cody Detweiler, Tinder fluff. So I have this magnesium thing we're gonna try. I've never used one of these before. How do I use a striker? It was supposed to strike. There's no sparks. All right, this should only take 2 or 3 hours. Okay, all right. We're gonna try some toilet paper. Here we go. Okay, very easy, okay. A couple hours of striking. They should definitely teach us in schools. I'm not sure why they don't teach this kind of thing. It is so hot, I'm insanely thirsty. It's a little hard not to have paranoia. You hear everything around you. I've heard like 2 trees fall. There's cows moving nonstop. And there's obviously animals moving all around me. I don't know how people do this. We're gonna have to duct tape a stick to this. I'm making an extra long spatula handle. There we go. That's beautiful. So on my menu tonight is some eggs. Now I just have to figure this out. I'm trying to bolt. Not gonna lie, it's been a while since I've camped. I used to camp with my dad all the time, but that was in a camper. All right, very egg. By Alcolo, available in 34 states. Publix, H-E-B, Albertsons, ABC Liquor. It's actually so good. The interior of a Komatsu D355 is just big enough for a bed. It is actually 7 feet wide. I'm 7 foot tall, so it fits just right. All right. Hey, that is quite enjoyable. I'm sleeping on this nitrogen tank. It'd be really cool to hear coyotes outside tonight. They're always in this corner of the property. You can hear them just screaming. I'm pretty sure I scared them away, but I have what I need to be safe tonight. There is like heavy thunder outside. This is so sick. Somehow I still have phone service in here, which is crazy. See y'all in the morning. Well, good morning, everyone. I actually slept a lot better than I thought I would. I kept the screens on all night. I saw deer out here this morning. All right, I have my camp all packed up and I'm ready to head back home. I'm expecting a fairly easy journey today with the exception of the mud. There's a tremendous amount of mud. I'm gonna start this up now. Here we go.
What's after life? You and I.
Not too bad. We made it back.